yay on this. Yeah, I'm gonna be going yay on the way back.
You gonna be going yay on the way back?
In this truck for sure.
Hey, no, it's good. Okay, bet.
I want to get my hat. Show you at least I got my hat.
Oh yeah, no, for sure. So bet. Before we load up, I just gotta pull the truck like maybe at an angle like this.
I know what you got.
We gotta get our pictures, man.
All right.
We gotta get our pictures. So we're gonna get this picture for y'all real quick, and then we are going to actually freaking load this thing up. Did you get any straps?
Yeah, I hope I got the right ones.
Okay.
I had that Uber dude. He was a cool dude.
He was a cool dude, but he wasn't trying to stop, huh?
Yeah, he didn't speak English.
Oh yeah, that'll get you, huh?
I got both my hats.
You got both of them. Y'all see what's going on.
I got the other one at home.
Real supporter. Can I see that key real quick for the bike?
Yeah, I was gonna ask you how you turn them flashers off. They don't seem like they want to go off.
Yeah, there we go. See, it's not gonna do it without the key being around. There you go. And I'll just sit this in here for now. And the bags I actually put on, these are like, it extends your bezel a little bit. So if you want your bezel extended, you can just slap that on there. Oh, and I have the other two for those lights in there as well. So just a preference type of thing. Yeah, no, those should work.
Okay.
Yeah, those should work fine. Those should work fine. Okay, bet. So I'm gonna move this bike and we'll get this thing going. These are, I believe these are 14s on this bike. 14. Yeah.
So they don't need to change them now.
You know, the 16s they rise up above the fairing. I don't really like that.
So I don't have to do. Well, damn, I don't have to do nothing because
I'm telling you, when you ride it, it's already set up and ready for you to go.
On here and only thing I think I would change would probably buy the. No, actually, maybe the speaker lids. Get the ones with the speakers in them.
You want to change the speaker lids, man? This is like OEM.
Oh, really?
OEM. All this is OEM.
Oh, okay.
This ain't painted. This came from the factory.
Oh, all right.
Yeah, all this is OEM. So whenever you take something off, you devaluing it. But it's like I said, it's your world. You got it for free, so do your thing. I'm just letting you know.
The only thing I was gonna say, if I ordered the different bags, it would be the stretch bags.
Oh, okay, I got you.
Where you got to cut out for the pipes.
Yeah, if you can have somebody like color match this and make the bags look exactly like this, when you do the stretch ones, just save these. But
oh, they came like this? You had somebody do that?
No, everything came like this is directly from the factory.
Yeah, I'm talking like I know something.
Yeah, no, this ain't Antonio. Nah. That's Antonio over there.
Antonio do a hell of a job.
Yeah, Antonio get down. I gotta go see Antonio right now.
I mean, when I see it up close and personal, I see why you still make the drive.
I'm telling you, it's worth it, right?
Yeah, it's worth it.
Yeah, so this is Harley paint right here, direct from the factory, man. So this is literally an OEM. CVO, all the above. This is the one you want. But like I said, it's your world. Do your thing.
Trust me, I ain't doing too much of anything. Maybe change the seat.
Yeah, you definitely got to change the seat, man. The seat is cool. It got a little rip right there, man. I thought I had a better one, but when I tried to put it on, it actually was like a little bit different. So you got something to do when you get home.
Like besides stare at it
and wash it down. I rode it yesterday.
Wipe it down.
Look, I rode it yesterday. I knew you was going to Fresno. I'm like, man, this thing gonna be. It's gonna look crazy when you get back.
You had the truck clean.
Oh no, I had to clean the truck. I couldn't let the truck go like that, man. This was like my baby, like one of my favorite trucks, man. So I had to see it go just how it came, looking brand new, man.
Because in Houston, when we started leaving,
and see, it rained last night.
Yeah, it did.
It rained last night. Yeah, when I woke up this morning, this whole truck was covered in water.
Oh wow.
I didn't dry it or nothing. Luckily, it looks good because I was like, man, I didn't freaking did all that for nothing.
Yeah, it looks good.
But yeah, no, it's all good. Let's move this bike up front real quick and then we'll get it together. Alrighty, guys. So it is time to load this thing up. You ready for this?
Yeah.
You ready to head back west, man, or what?
Not ready as much for the drive, but just to get it home.
Right, just to enjoy it.
Get it home and enjoy it.
Enjoy it. Okay, bet. So I'm gonna pull the truck up right here and we're gonna get this thing situated, guys. Okay, bet. So walk with me. Don't be scared of the camera. Yeah, don't be scared of the camera. Hold it with confidence and just feel it. All right, guys. So we about to show my guy Tyrone how to load up this freaking bike, man. So when you get home, you won't have a ramp, but I'll show you with mine. Have you loaded a motorcycle in something like this before? No? No. Okay, then, so you're good. You got plenty of room. So grab that string right there and just do it to the last loop the furthest loop you can put it on. All right. Yeah, so we're gonna go there. So we should be good. All right. So the ramp is ready. Typically, I'll put another one up under there. I'll yank it on the bottom just so it's firm. But as many times as I did it, you don't have nothing to worry about. So the main thing about this loading up, you just want to be confident. Just ride it up like a anything normal. You think about it, you're gonna fall.
Okay.
So that's the same way with like offloading it too. When you offload it, just roll it off. It's not gonna scrape on the bottom or nothing. If anything, just hold the front brakes, you know? Just hold the front brake and you'll be good. So, it's time to load that bad boy up, y'all. One of my favorite bikes, man, is about to go bye-bye. I hear that joint. Last time it's gonna be here in my garage. Now, typically you want to come up the ramp a little slower. However, with me, I just like to do it quick. If I do it too slow, I might ease the clutch out and it'll slip that ramp out, believe it or not. I've done it before, so we can unloosen these. Actually, I think I might have a, I need him as my real cameraman. He ain't gonna miss nothing, is he? Just like that, guys, we got this thing loaded up for the final time. It is time to shine, man. Here's your extra straps right here, Mr. Sir.
Thank you.
And with that, we come to a close, man. Y'all see what it is, man. All loaded up, ready to go. My guys is in the house. It's a movie, man. It's definitely a movie. Well, y'all see it here first, man. My guys is in the house, man. Tyrone, I appreciate your support, man. It's all love. You already know.
Anytime.
It's all love, man. So bet. So we got the truck loaded up for you, man. Is there anything else you need, man, while you here at the Everything Regular compound, man?
Maybe a restroom.
Maybe a restroom. Go ahead and use it.
That's about it.
Oh, yeah. I mean, you know, it's usually only just me here. So my apologies if my hospitality skills is not up to par. But go ahead, help yourself. If you go in the door, it's right. You'll see it. It's right there.
I don't want your neighbors to get.
No, you're good, man. You are good. We got that big blue thing loaded up, ready to go. Well, man, believe it, it's yours, man. 2022 Ford F-350, 2020 Street Glide CVO, man. It's a movie. I put the key back in here too.
Oh, for the bike?
Yeah, for the bike. It's in the back.
Okay. Oh, it's got to stay in there, huh?
No, it doesn't. I just put it in there just because I didn't want to hold on to it.
Oh,
so you can actually get it if you want.
Yeah, I'll give it to you. Put it in the truck.
It's yours, man. I'm hoping to see you on the road or something soon, man.
I will shoot a video.
I hope so.
And this is the only time.
Trent, I'm gonna be looking for the video, man.
The only time people ever see me smile.
Yeah.
I'm smiling now. You just, man, this is just crazy. This is crazy.
Hey, man, it's
crazy.
real life, man.
And it's just, it looks so damn good. It really does.
I appreciate that, man. It's love. We put some hard work and time and effort into that. So
that you have, and like I said, everything looks better
in person. Right.
It really does.
I be telling them they don't be hearing me, man.
If they don't believe it now, believe it.
Believe
Everything looks
it.
better in person, and this ain't fake. This is some real shit.
Hey,
Excuse
man.
my language, but
You know, dead ass, huh? That part, man. I appreciate you, man. Tyrone, and you know it's all love, man. You already know we had to get you under these Houston skies to take delivery of your 22 new thing and your 2020 new thing, man. You know what time it is, man. You gotta tell them.
I've ever come to Texas, maybe the last, unless I get.
And we got them on a plane for the first time, y'all.
First time.
It's a movie.
And now I'm sold on planes.
Look, it's up. Whenever you take your next trip, let me know, man. We just might tag along.
I just might do that. Hell, I might be coming back here to get another one.
Hey, no, that part, man. It's a movie. Hey, man, you gotta tell them who to subscribe to, man.
Everything's regular.
My God.
I mean, dreams do come true.
That part, it's a movie, man. Y'all see what's going on.
That it is. It's a movie.
It's definitely a movie. He taking delivery of his 2022 thing. They about to slide off into the wind. You know what time it is. It's a movie, man. Well, y'all see it here first, man. We're gonna get that pull-off vid. And it's gonna be a go, man. It's a movie, man. Y'all see what time it is.
I will, thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on. Let's see him start that thing up. I was about to say, you know how to start that thing?
No, I was thinking it was push start.
Oh man, come on, look, man, come on. Give me a break. I thought it was push start. Give me a break. Y'all see what's going on, man. My guy is out here sliding that thing. Ooh. Yes, sir. The Big Daddy's on there. He is out of here, y'all.
Everythingregular.com.
That
only
part,
way to go.
That part. It's a movie, man. Y'all see what's going on. My guy is out here sliding and gliding with that big thing on the back, all the way back to Cali, man. I'm telling you, as real as it can get. All you got to do is support your boy, because look, truck gone, bike gone. It's up, man. Now they all sliding in the wind. That's a movie. That's crazy.
What's your name?
What's my name? What's your name?
No, because you're doing vlogging, right?
Yeah, what's your name?
So, what is your name?
My name is Everything's Regular.
Everything's regular? So
Yes.
if I search you on YouTube,
It'll
Everything's
pop right
Regular?
up.
Okay.
Make sure you subscribe, okay?
Okay.
What's your name?
Ken, K-E-N.
Ken. K-E. Oh, Ken. Okay, nice to meet you.
Everything's regular?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Have a good day. Is it back already? What'd you forget?
Got to give you that money for that thing.
Oh, man, I wasn't tripping off that, man.
Don't, man.
I'm telling you, I wasn't tripping off it,
I
man.
forgot about it, but I said, let me give it to you, and I'm going to give it to you.
Hey, man, I definitely appreciate you. You a real one for that.
I don't want to be that dude.
He said, I don't want to be the dude, man.
What I said I was giving you 50?
I don't know. I think you said about that blue strip right there. I think that one was the one.
Man, I just happen to have 10
What
ones.
you got, man?
There's 10 ones. For
There's
it.
10 ones?
Yeah, I mean 10, 4, 5, 10. There you go. I'm
50 bones right here, man.
Is that gonna
he
get
just,
you?
He just gave me 50 bones for the freaking the wheel chalk right there, man. I'm gonna put what I got with it, and we're gonna get another one, man. I definitely
you need
appreciate you.
more.
It's all good. Trust me, it's your world. You enjoy it, man.
Once again, appreciate
It's love.
it.
I'm about to put this in the gas
to
tank.
make a U-turn and get out.
Oh no, it's good. So bet if you go straight right here, the very first corner, it's wide enough to where you do a U-turn.
Oh, okay.
My God, I thought something went bad. I'm like, oh, what happened? I'm like, dang.
Nah, it's all good.
Okay, Vic.
All right.
See you, man. That thing look cold. Woo, ice down. Yes, sir. She looking nice. That thing cold.
It's like that bike is meant for that truck.
For sure. See that thing come for the last time. Yes, sir. With the booze and the eyes on there. Looking good. That's a movie. Y'all see it here first, man. My guy Tyrone just pulled up to the crib. We got this thing all checked out and everything. He still got the hazards on, so he gonna have to learn the Harley game a little bit more. But more than anything, man, they came down here to Houston under these Houston skies, man, so I can't wait. We're actually about to load this thing up on the truck for him and get this stuff situated. In the meantime, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. It's all love. At the end of the day, it could be you next. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your Movies Only Everything Regular patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, I'm about to get back here, help them load up this bike, and send them on their way, because I know they can't wait to get back to Fresno, California to enjoy this truck and this bike on their own, man. It's all love. At the end of the day, without you guys, it wouldn't be possible, man. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Shout out to the 100K y'all that was here before 100K, and shout out to y'all that's just now tuning in, man. It's love, and at the end of the day, it's always up, man. Prepare today for success tomorrow. In the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.